Hello there. Today I'll show you 10 old-fashioned English greetings that we still use today. They sound polite, a bit traditional, and very natural. Number 4 and number 9 are my personal favorites. They've helped me many times in real life, so I'm very fond of them. Let's begin. 10 old-fashioned greetings native speakers still use. Number 1. Good day. This is a polite way to say hello, especially in the daytime. It sounds a little old-fashioned, but some people still use it, especially older people, or in very polite situations. Example. Good day, Mrs. Carter. How are you? Good day, John. I'm very well, thank you. You can use good day instead of hello when you want to sound polite and calm. Number 2. How do you do? This is a very formal greeting. We usually use it when we meet someone for the first time, in a professional or very polite situation. When someone says, "How do you do?" the correct answer is often just, "How do you do?" It's not really a question about your health. It's just a formal greeting. Example. How do you do, Mr. Thompson? How do you do, John? It's a pleasure to meet you. Number 3. It's a pleasure to meet you. This means, I'm happy to meet you. It's polite, formal, and friendly at the same time. Example. Hello, I'm John. Hello, I'm Sarah. It's a pleasure to meet you, Sarah. You can also say, it's a pleasure to finally meet you if you knew the person online or by phone before. Number 4. Lovely to see you. This is a very warm, British-sounding greeting. We use it when we already know the person and we're happy to see them again. Example. Oh, lovely to see you again, Emma. Lovely to see you too, John. This is one of my favorites. It's a bit more emotional than just nice to see you, and it has never failed me when I meet friends or neighbors. Number 5. You're a sight for sore eyes. This sounds very old-fashioned, but people still use it jokingly or warmly. It means, I'm very happy to see you. I've missed you. Example. Oh, you're a sight for sore eyes. I haven't seen you in years. Don't use this with strangers. It's for friends and family you haven't seen for a long time. Number 6. Good to see you again. Simple, polite, and a little traditional. We use it when we meet someone we already know after some time apart. Example. Good to see you again, David. Good to see you too, John. Number 7. How have you been? This is like, how are you, but it shows more interest. We usually use it when we haven't seen the person for a while. Example. Hi, Anna. Long time no see. How have you been? I've been good, thanks. How about you? How have you been is great for friends and people you know. Number 8. Long time no see. This is informal, friendly, and very common. We say it when we meet someone after a long time. Example. Long time no see, Mark. Yeah, it's been ages. You can use it with friends, classmates, or colleagues you know well. Number 9. What a pleasant surprise. We use this when we didn't expect to see someone, but we're happy that they are here. Example. John, what are you doing here? "Oh, Anna, what a pleasant surprise." This is another one of my favorites. It has helped me many times when I suddenly meet someone in the street, at the supermarket, or at a family gathering. It sounds polite, warm, and a little old-fashioned, just the way I like it. And number 10, it's so good to see you. Very warm, very natural. We use it with family and friends when we really feel happy to see them. Example: "Come in, come in. It's so good to see you." "It's good to see you too, Grandpa." Let's review the 10 greetings one more time. Repeat after me. 1. Good day. 2. How do you do? 3. It's a pleasure to meet you. 4. Lovely to see you. 5. You're a sight for sore eyes. 6. Good to see you again. 7. How have you been? 8. Long time no see. 9. What a pleasant surprise. 10. It's so good to see you. If you don't know which one to try first, I recommend number 4, lovely to see you, or number 9, what a pleasant surprise. They've helped me many times, and I hope they help you too. Try to use one of these greetings this week. Choose your favorite and practice it out loud. If you enjoyed learning with me, don't forget to subscribe and come back for more English lessons. Take care and good day.